This is Joey. He is a high school dropout who decided to live in the woods. He wakes up and forages for berries, because you know his lazy ass could not hunt shit.
Oh!
He, much like a baby bird that fell out of the nest, is a complete moron and is unlikely to survive for very long. What he is eating is actually a poisonous berry that slowly shuts down your nervous system, and he will likely die within the next 12 hours. We had to censor this because he gets so violent toward the cameraman. This aggressive behavior is what caused him to get expelled. Here he attempts to make a fire. He fails. As his mind deteriorates, he becomes more and more angry and lashes out violently. He's mad pissed, and for the rest of the time that we were there, he destroyed more and more. A few hours later, after his temper tantrum, he sits down as he breaths the last bit of air out of his lungs as his brain shuts down due to the berries eaten earlier.